students. My name is Minal. I study in class 3. My school's name is AJS. Today, the topic is my first day at school. Main idea. My first day at school was exciting and new. Morning, I wore my uniform and packed my bag. My parents took me to school. I felt a little nervous but also curious. At school, I met my teacher and classmates. We sat in a circle and introduced ourselves. The teacher showed us around the classroom. Activities. We colored pictures and sang songs. I made a new friend during recess. We also had a story time before lunch. End of the day. My parents picked me up after school. I told them about my day. I was so happy and couldn't wait to go back.